Croeso I Castell Flint. Welcome to Flint Castle. I'm here for a game of football, but before I go to the stadium, a little walk along the estuary and the castle. And joining me today is Michael. Hi Michael.
Shemai, Stuart.
Shemai, you okay?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, we're here for the game tonight, but you're going to go for a little walk as well?
Yeah, it'll be a nice little walk around the castle. Never actually been to the Flint Castle before.
You've got your media stuff as well, because you're doing a few shots.
Yeah, working on a documentary with the new Saints for a University project, so that should be good.
Sounds great. Let's go.
Let's go.